Good morning, friends. Today is day 8. Now the time is 5 am. I have started my ride from Vadodara towards Aurangabad. Aurangabad is about 400 kilometers from here. On the way, I will be visiting Statue of Unity, which is 120 kilometers from here. The weather is very chilled. Visibility is also very less due to fog. I have pre-booked my entry to Statue of Unity and the time schedule given is 8 am to 10 am. Good morning, friends. Now I have reached the Statue of Unity reception area. Now time is 7:15 am. I traveled a distance of 120 kilometers and reached here now. Friends, this is the main entrance. You have to park the vehicles here. From here you will get bus up to the statue, so we have to go in their buses only. It's a free of cost but included in the ticket cost only. Ticket cost is 380 rupees plus GST. Totally it costed me 425 rupees. I have parked my vehicle here. This is the complex. It's having help desk. Friends, this is waiting area for bus pickup points. These toilets, locker facility. This is the ticket counter. Here cash is not allowed. There are two types of tickets, express and normal. If you take express ticket, you need not to wait for the queue to go up to the statue. Friends, the Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue with a height of 597 feet. It is located near Kevadia in the state of Gujarat. It depicts Indian statesman and independence activist Sardar Patel, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India. Mr. Patel is highly respected for playing a significant role in the political integration of India. The statue is located on the bank of Narmada river, facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam. Friends, this project was first announced in 2010 and construction started in October 2013 by Indian company Larsen and Toubro with a total construction cost of 27 billion rupees. Friends, today I am the first person to enter in this. Just now staff people are coming for their duty. Friends, a society named Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Rashtriya Ekata Trust was formed under the chairmanship of the Chief Minister of Gujarat to execute the project. Statue of Unity movement was started in 2013 to collect the iron needed for the statue by asking farmers to donate their used farming instruments. By 2016, a total of 135 metric tons of scrap iron had been collected and about 109 tons of it was used to make the foundation of the statue after processing it. A marathon titled Run for Unity was held on 15th December 2013 in Surat and Vadodara in support of the project. The Statue of Unity was built by a public-private partnership model with most of the money coming from the government of Gujarat. The project took 57 months to complete, 15 months for planning, 14 months for construction and 2 months for handing over the consortium. The total cost of the project was estimated to be about 2063 crore by the government. Construction of the monument was completed in mid-October 2018 and the inaugural ceremony was held on 31st October 2018, that is on the 143rd birth anniversary of Vallabhbhai Patel. The statue has been described as a tribute to Indian engineering skills. Friends, this is the main entrance to the statue. The statue is divided into 5 zones, of which only 3 are accessible to the public. From its base to the level of Patel's shins is the first zone, which has 3 levels and includes the exhibition area, mezzanine and roof. The first zone also contains a memorial garden and a museum. The second zone reaches up to the Patel's thighs, while the third extends up to the viewing gallery at a height of 153 meters. The fourth zone is the maintenance area, while the final zone comprises the head and shoulders of the statue. Friends, the museum in the first zone catalogues Patel's life and contributions. An adjoining audiovisual gallery provides a 15-minute long presentation on Patel and also describes the tribal culture of the state. Friends, there are a lot of exhibits placed inside this gallery. The rural development industrialization of the state of Gujarat was also displayed through pictures here. And audiovisual interactive sessions regarding the construction of the statue is also displayed on the screen. All this area is beautifully maintained. The concrete towers which form the statue's legs contain 2 elevators each. Each lift can carry 26 people at a time to the viewing gallery in just over 30 seconds. Friends, come let's move to the upper floor through this lift. This lift takes us up to the chest level of the statue. Friends, now I have reached to the chest level of this statue. The gallery is located at a height of 153 meters, that is 502 feet, and can hold up to 200 people at a time. Friends, can have a beautiful view of the surroundings through these openings made in the chest. Friends, there are nice arrangements for the drinking water and washroom facilities for both gents and ladies are here. They are neatly maintained. Friends, now I have completed the inner view of this statue. Come, let's go outside and have a look of the statue. Friends, see, the people are coming now. Now it will be rush here. Come, let's go to the basement of the statue through these escalators. Friends, see the statue. This is the statue of Sardar Patel, the Iron Man of India. See the size of the chappal. The heel of this chappal itself is nearly 8 feet height. Friends, the monument is constructed on a river island named Sadhubet, 3.2 kilometers away and facing the Narmada dam downstream. The statue and its surroundings occupy more than 2 hectares and are surrounded by a 12-kilometer long artificial lake formed by the Gurudeshwar Wave downstream of the Narmada river. Friends, Statue of Unity is open on all days except Monday. The timings are 8 am to 6 pm. Tickets will be issued for every 2 hours slot. One has to be present at the entry gate 15 minutes before the allotted time. Once you enter inside, there is no time restriction. You can spend the time as much as you want. Friends, there will be a projection mapping show at 7:15 pm on every day. Bags and food items are not allowed in the premises. Friends, the nearby attractions are Sardar Dam, Butterfly Garden, Cactus Garden, Ekta Cruise in the river, Jungle Safari, etc. Friends, if you are coming by air, the nearest airports are Ahmedabad, Vadodara and Surat. Ahmedabad is 200 kilometers from here, Vadodara is 92 kilometers from here and Surat is 160 kilometers from here. If you are coming by rail also, Ahmedabad, Vadodara and Surat are the major railway stations. From there you will get direct buses to Ekta Nagar, which is the nearest point to Statue of Unity. If you are coming by road, you can get buses from all the major towns of Gujarat. Friends, there are a lot of stay options at the Statue of Unity and its surroundings. You can get many hotels, lodges and paying guest houses also, but it is a little bit costly here. It is better to stay at Baroda and visit the Statue of Unity. Thanks for watching my video. Friends, don't forget to like and share my video. Please subscribe my channel Bikerageless.